HMS markets industrial communication products under 3 brands: Anybus, Ixxat and E1. Let's have a look at what these products do, using a typical factory floor as an example. We start with the Anybus products. On the factory floor, there may be several different industrial networks present. Here we have one part that runs a network called Profibus, while another runs Profinet, CC-Link or EtherCAT. To complicate things further, we need to communicate with machines that use CANopen, Modbus, Ethernet IP or Interbus. So we have many different networks and equipment from different manufacturers that cannot necessarily communicate with each other. So how do we ensure that a robot that uses Modbus can communicate with the industrial network Profinet? By using Anybus gateways, system integrators and machine builders can connect all these incompatible networks and machines and make them communicate with each other. You could say that a gateway acts as a translator between languages on the factory floor. A single gateway comes in many different versions, one for each network combination. In total, there are about 300 different combinations. If you are a manufacturer of an automation product, let's take this robot as an example. It might be smart to integrate an Anybus module inside your product. You make the product embedded. By designing in an Anybus contact in your product, you can easily plug in any Anybus module, and through this, your product can communicate with the chosen network. The Anybus module is pluggable, which means that the customer easily can switch module to gain access to another network. Communication solutions are also needed inside the machines on the factory floor, between components, test systems, etc. This is where HMS's Ixxat products come in. These robots in a car factory, for example, contain different components from different vendors that need to communicate with each other. The Ixxat offering specializes in the communication technology called CAN, which is used extensively in cars, for example. Here, Ixxat provides hardware, software and a lot of customized solutions. HMS's third brand is called E1. Under this brand, HMS offers solutions for remote access and control of machines via the web. A common example is providing a secure connection to a machine on a factory floor, so a machine builder or system integrator can do commissioning and troubleshooting remotely. E1 solutions are also used for machinery in the field, such as power generators, solar panels or complete buildings. By connecting an E1 NetBiter gateway to the equipment in the field, data can be sent to a cloud-based server. Users log into a web interface to see, for example, battery status, oil pressure, water temperature, fuel level, etc. They can even start or stop the machine online. HMS delivers a variety of products and solutions for industrial communication to the world's leading industrial companies. The solutions are in high demand since the automation industry of today requires more and more communication between machines and networks, following trends such as the Industrial Internet of Things. If you want to sell automation products on the international market, you need solutions that provide access to the world of industrial networks. HMS offers solutions that enables machines and devices to communicate. In short, connecting devices.